What's ringing, guys? Welcome back to Beaumont College South Lakes. Now that we're back again, the weekly fire alarm test series is going to continue. This is week 6, so let's get it ready. This one's a bit of a hassle at times, so we'll do this one first. One. Yep. Right, now we'll go do the KAC. I'll need to move that out of the way.
To do what?
The form.
Let's go test the other FR07Es, then we'll be finishing the test. Now we'll do this one next. Only 2 more now. Oh, well, I'll have to answer this quickly. Sorry about that, guys. We had a call on the reception phone. But now we'll do this one near the entrance, then we'll do the one next to the door to the upstairs. Oh, well. Yeah, sorry about the delay on the test. We had a call on the phone.
Oh, okay.
That's why it took a bit of a while.
Alright, don't worry.
Only one more now, everyone.
That's fine, Kyle. We're immune to it now.
Immune to it? I wouldn't say so. Like, look at you. When I walk past, people on the video don't see it, but I see you as like that. See, even the faces made by Cookie just then. And there we go. So, everybody, that's it for week 6 of Beaumont College Fire Alarm Test. I hope everybody is happy that we're starting the series again now that we're back from the Easter holidays. And stay tuned for week 7 coming next Friday. And if you enjoyed, then please subscribe for future content. And until next time, ring out.
Check it out.
Thank you. You have been watching Kyle the Ringer. Please ring subscribe for future content. And until next time,